Good afternoon to all. We are presenting you our presentation on Smart Plant Monitoring System project that we have done for our subject Internet of Things. The team members are Sarvesh Pawar, Gaurav Mishra, Sujot Shetty, Shubh Jangam, and Varadmurty Mohod. We have done this project under the guidance of Professor Rakshak. This is the introduction of our project. As we all know, plants and agriculture are a key aspect of our everyday life. The main issue in agriculture nowadays is the water scarcity and the groundwater depletion levels are at an all-time high. To solve this, we have tried to make a solution in which we can detect the temperature, the moisture, and the humidity of the plants to ensure best decision making when it comes to using water to ensure the best growth. These are the components that we have used in our project. We have used Node MCU, then we have used a soil moisture sensor, then we have used a relay module, then we have used a solenoid water valves, then we have used breadboard, then we have used pressure sensor, temperature sensor, then we have used jumpers, then we have used a 12-volt battery. This is the block diagram of our project. First, we sense the data. This data then gets sent to the Node MCU module, which then relays the data to the blynk cloud through the app interface. Finally, the data comes back and the water valve it's operating. This circuit diagram will be explained when we share our project working directly at the last. Let me now show you the code that we have used to run the Okay. As you can see here, what we are doing initially is that we are defining all the libraries that we have used to run this application. After that, we set up the authentication, the SSD, and the password using which we have connected our Node MCU and the mobile app. After this, we are defining to which pins does the data, to which pins which data is coming. After that, we are reading the humidity and the temperature here. After that, we are having a check in the system that if certain sensors are not working, they can immediately return a error to the system. Then we are sending this data for humidity and temperature through the V5 and V6 pins directly to the blynk app. After that, what we are doing here is we are having certain timer intervals which through which you can check we can send the data. We have it here same for sending the temperature to the blynk app. And then we run it through the loop so that it constantly keeps running. We have also integrated notification. So as when the moisture level reduces, the notification can be sent to the application. This is the code of our project. Now what we'll be doing is we'll be showing you the live demo of the application. For that, I'll be stopping my screen sharing. That was all for our project, Smart Plant Monitoring System.
Hello guys, I'm going to demonstrate our IoT project, that is IoT Smart Plant Monitoring System. This is Node MCU, which is given power supply through power bank. Then this is humidity and temperature sensor. This is soil moisture sensor. This is relay. This is solenoid valve, and this is 12-volt batteries. So we have connected the humidity sensor to a Node MCU through the positive and negative pin to VCC and ground, and the green one is the signal pin which is given to the D4 of the Node MCU. Then so next one is the soil moisture sensor. We have connected A0 pin of soil moisture sensor, which is brown, to analog pin of node MCU. Then the next one is the data pin, which is a red of soil moisture sensor, which is connected to D3 pin of node MCU, and a positive and negative of soil moisture sensor is connected to VCC and ground. So next one is the relay. We have connected positive and negative of relay, which is black and white, to VCC and ground of node MCU, and to trigger the relay we have connected it to D0, through which we can on off the motor. The next, we have connected positive of battery to common of the relay, common pin of the relay, and the negative of the battery is connected to solenoid valve, and the second pin of the solenoid valve is connected to the normally open of relay. So now, as we have powered the node MCU, we can see that the soil moisture sensor is around 705%, and the humidity and temperature is 74 and 31 degrees Celsius. This is because we have put the soil moisture sensor in the water. As we remove the sensor, we get the notification that please water your plants. So as we have on the button, the motor will start and water the plants, and as the water level is again increased, so we can off the motor.